Are you ready?
Hi team Fullest. So I have finally removed the bamboo. We fixed some of the stones. As you guys can see, I'm fixing the remaining stone right there at the end. That is what I am doing. So I'm trying to just fix it, clean the garden up, trying to organize things the way I want it. I'm taking a break. So this is what I did. I fixed this stone myself there. It's not that perfect, but it's much more better than just the grass on its own. Now the garden looks much more bigger. The kids can play around. It's much more nicer and it's easy. So yeah, I take the couch and I put it at this side of the garden and at this corner because it's more better there than put it right there, because when the bamboo was there, at least the bamboo could act as a barrier for people not to see in the through the garden. So yeah, that's that. I did that myself. It's not perfect, but I'm very proud of myself. I'm very proud. Yeah. So yeah, I did it myself, and yeah, everything is looking really nice. I'm just trying to organize stuff. So the reason why I put a sand on top, because I've learned that when you fix a new stone, you have to put the sand on top of it so that some of the sand will go through the stone, so everything will be nice and level. And I have a lot of sand remain, so I'm going to try to make a little bit put a little bit stone at the end of the garden, so I could put the containers there, because right now the whole garden is looking messy. But when I'm done, I'll show you guys so you guys can see what things are looking like. So the remaining sand, I'm going to put it on the other side of the garden where I have the plastic where the trampoline is standing right now. So I'm going to remove the plastic. I'm going to put the sand there. So I love how the couch is in the corner. It's really nice, and I push that one there. So yeah, I'm just playing around with stuff in the garden to see how I like things. I'm just actually playing around with things. I'm just sometimes that's how I am. I like to play around, shift the stuff around the garden, put them in different position, and the one that I think, okay, this is what I like the most, I just leave it there. Like for example, the black table and the chair, I like it in that corner, because then the kids can sit there and draw and play whatever they want to do. They can do it there, because they always like to draw on the paper, so I put them there so that they can sit there. And I put the main couch and the there in this corner, because I feel like this corner you have a little bit of more privacy. People can see, but nobody can really see except the person go stand upstairs in his or her room for the person to sit down there. But this is what I'm dealing with right now. This is what your girl is dealing with. This is a lot of work, man. So I'm very proud of myself to do this. I'm very proud. So yeah, this is what your girl is up to. Because nowadays, if you try to call those people who are going to lay the stone for you, like their agenda, their calendar is full. They don't have time, because yeah, it's in the summertime, so people are actually booking, so they don't have time. So like I just have to work with what I have, try to organize things my own way, and it's not perfect, but for now it's better than just leave it the way it is. I was really tired with the bamboo and the flies and everything. I love plants, but the bamboo was getting me really annoying. So guys, this is what I've done. I've put some stones here so that I can put the dustbin at this side because of the flies and all the things. I didn't put the stone that perfect. It's not perfect. It's just something for me to put the dustbin instead of putting the dustbin right close to the house. So now it's the dustbin are here, and I also bring the trampoline all the way backward. Next year I'm going to change this trampoline. I'm going to buy a smaller one because this one is too big. You can barely have somewhere to pass by. So this is what your girl has been up to So this is done so far, and now what I'm doing is the remaining sun. I'm trying to fill up this area. You guys know I had a plastic was lying down to cover this, so I've removed the plastic, and I'm going to take the remaining sun that is remaining. I'm filling all this, so the plastic is here. I need to get a bigger bag to put all this plastic in so I can throw them away. So I remove all the plastic. This plastic was lying down here, so I remove everything. So now I have the garden looking like this, and I'm still kind of cleaning up. So now the sand there, I'm trying to take the remaining sand and fill this area up, so that I can just get rid of the sand, because the kids have been playing with the sand and they have been making a lot of mess. So this is what has been going on. This is what your girl is up to. I have so much allergic when the sun is up, but I need to finish this garden. So this is what it's looking like right now, and I packed some of the stone, the remaining stone, I packed them, and I put all my garden tools there. So this is the sand that I'm trying to transfer, and I have this remaining bamboo things. I want to do some DIY with the bamboo with the kids, but I don't know what. But I'm going to find a space to put them later. But now this is what everything is looking like. So now this is what everything is just looking like. And I still haven't painted the remaining side of the wall there, the white one. But I already bought the paints, but just that I've been so tired and my allergic has been really disturbing me. So that's the reason why. So I'm trying to get rid of this sun and put everything. So now when you stand here, this is what the garden is looking like. So like, yeah. The grass is growing there, but it hasn't grown to cover all the spaces, but it will grow. And I'll just cut it. I'm not really like trying to make it fancy. At this side, if the grass grow fine, I'll just cut it, but I'm just going to put the sun here so that the sun I can get rid of it here. So this is what it is right now. This is the job that your girl is up to, you know. Just gotta work with what you have and trying to make the best out of things. So I really like it. So now that you can just imagine me removing the plastic bag, clear this space, and it will look even much more nicer when everything is done. So just want to give you guys a quick updates, and when everything is done, I will come back and give you guys and show you guys how everything look like, give you guys the final result. It's not perfect, but I'm doing this thing myself with my fiancé. He helps me also to do this. So we're not, this is not our professional, but we thought let's just do our best, and it's not perfect, but it's much more better than the way it was. So I'm very, very happy. So yeah, this is what your girl is up to. So now, right now, I'm finishing the paints. It's not perfect, but it is better. At least I'm finishing everything. I'm gonna finish the entire down all the way to there. And if the paints remain, I'm just going over the old paints again just to make it a bit more nice. As you guys can see, it's not perfectly painted, so I will go over it when I'm done with the bottom. So this is what your girl is doing. So guys, I'm done with the painting. Yeah, so I kind of push this thing there. So this is what it's looking like right now. It's not perfect, but it's perfect at the same time. At least I paint everything. I'm done. The paint has to dry. I know because this is a new paint, it look a little bit lighter there, but maybe I will go over it. I'm not too sure, but I think it's okay. I think it's okay the way it is. Maybe I'll go over it tomorrow or next tomorrow. I want to go over on the top, a little bit on the top and the bottom where I just painted, because that one looks a little bit like it's very lighter compared to this one. But so far it's good. I'm really happy the sun is shining, so everything is drying up. Yeah, this is what it's looking like. So I'm done with the garden. Everything is done. I'm washing some dirty clothes to go up. So I'm done for today. I've organized everything. Everything is perfectly organized. Clean everything up. The weather is so beautiful, so use this opportunity to just clean and put everything at the right place. So when you're in need, you don't need to be searching around. So everything is just organized. Barbecue, shopping bag is here, and everything is just at the right place. I can actually access everything easily. You can just grab something there, grab anything here. So everything is just perfectly organized. I'm done with the meats. I have actually full, the fridge is full, man. I have to cook some sauce. I don't have enough sauce. I have enough. Freezer is full. The meats, I have enough meats. I have fish, enough fish there. My favorite fish, red sniper. I still do have a couple of it. And I also have some here and everything. So one of these days I'm going to make like barbecue with the kids and maybe put some swimming pool. So I've already put all the swimming pool things here, easy to access when it's time to use them. I don't need to be searching. So all the swimming pool things are here. The cable to fill the pool with water in case we want to do barbecue extras. Phalanx, no, I don't know how you call this in English, but like this thing for extra power if you want to get power, because sometimes maybe I'm gonna do gourmet or something. Put everything here. These are all my tools, my clay trap, and everything is just perfectly organized. Bicycle for the kids. I'm done. So this is it for today. I'm gonna chill, relax, and I'm going out. So yeah, did a very good job, right? Did I do a good job? Right? I did a very good job, man.